Today we'll learn IELTS Speaking Part 1 topic. Hometown. In the next 60 seconds, I'll give you 10 Band 8 words, and then you'll use them in real answers. Don't just watch. Practice with me. Listen first, then repeat the sample. Now, quick vocabulary for the IELTS topic hometown. I'll explain each word in simple English and give you one example. After each word, repeat it once. Peaceful means calm and quiet. Example. My hometown is peaceful, especially in the mornings. Repeat. Peaceful. Lively means busy and full of energy. Example. The city center is lively at night. Repeat. Lively. Scenic means beautiful to look at. Example. It's a scenic place with rivers and trees. Repeat. Scenic. Close-knit means people know each other and help each other. Example. It's a close-knit community. Repeat. Close-knit. Local cuisine means local food. Example. My hometown is famous for its local cuisine. Repeat. Local cuisine. A landmark is a famous place people visit. Example, there's a famous landmark in the middle of town. Repeat, landmark. Cost of living means how much it costs to live in a place. Things like rent, food, transport, and bills. Example. The cost of living has gone up recently. Repeat. Cost of living. A commute is your travel to work or school. Example. My commute is short because everything is nearby. Repeat. Commute. Pace of life means how fast or slow life feels. Example. The pace of life is slower there. Repeat. Pace of life. Well known for means famous for. Example. It's well known for its beaches. Repeat. Well known for. Now your turn. Pick 2 words and say 2 sentences out loud. Now time for questions. Question number 1. Do you like your hometown? If your answer is yes, listen to this Band 8 sample answer. Yes, I do. It's quite peaceful and I like the slower pace of life. People are also close-knit, so it feels warm and familiar. Now it's your turn. Please repeat the answer. Great. Now, if your answer is no, listen to this Band 8 sample answer. Not really, to be honest. It can feel a bit quiet, and there isn't much to do, especially for young people. I prefer somewhere more lively with more opportunities. Now it's your turn. Please repeat the answer. Question number 2. Do you prefer living in your hometown or in a big city? If your answer is big city, listen to this Band 8 sample answer. I'd rather live in a big city. The pace of life is faster, but there are more job opportunities and more things to do. I also like the convenience, because public transport and services are easy to access. Now it's your turn. Please repeat the answer. That's it for today. How about you? Do you prefer living in your hometown or in a big city? Comment your answer and try to use one word from today's vocab list. For example, peaceful, lively, scenic. Close-knit, local cuisine, landmark. Cost of living, commute, pace of life. Or well known for. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more Band 8 speaking practice. See you in the next lesson.